In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video on SeaArt. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go in the Home tab and click on where it says Video Generation, and then click on Generate. This will take you into the video generation platform here, where you can basically start by going up here to the very top, and then here you can then go ahead and select your model. So I'm just going to select this Sono Vision over here, and then you can select your images. You can either upload them or drag them over here, or you could just choose any of these example images over here. I'm just going to select one of these random ones over here for now, okay? Then you can upload the audio, which is optional, so in case you have any audio, you could upload that too. And then you can also select your generation mode, so either standard or quality. And then here, the prompt magic, if you want it to be on or off, you can read what that is. It will basically refine your prompts, allowing you to generate great images with simple prompts. So that's up to you. And then you can select the duration you want to have, either 5 or 10 seconds, okay? Here you can also turn on private creation if you want to, but for this you will have to have one of their premium plans. And then here, of course, you could do the advanced configuration where you can put in negative prompts if you want to. You could go ahead and put in a fixed seed, which basically will help you to generate identical images, etc. Okay? After you do this here, you can go down here to the bottom and describe what you want to see. And here it just gave me an example. The building in the background explodes in flames, the street lights flicker, and the character looks around and walks towards the camera. Okay, so for me that's gonna be good for now, and then whenever you're happy and ready to go ahead, you can just go ahead and click on generate over here. However, if you want to generate text to video, you can do that too by swapping on text to video, setting everything up here, and then just basically typing in whatever you want to do, click on generate, and your video is going to be generated over here. Okay, I'm not going to waste my credits on this or my stamina, so I'm not going to click generate, but this is how you do it. When you click generate, you have to wait for a bit, and after it's done, you'll be able to see and then of course view your video. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.